Good morning, class. Welcome to week 4. Last week we covered argumentative writing. I read some really good papers with good research sources listed. Some of you did a great job. If you haven't submitted your paper, you still can do that. This week we're learning about compare and contrast writing. For this assignment, you would choose a topic such as 2 cell phone carriers or politicians, etc. Whatever you choose to compare. You will need to research the two and use your research sources to make your comparison. This paper should be 1 to 2 pages long. Be sure to read and follow all of your instructions in the assignment area. So you have several different steps that you need to take here. Also, this week you need to complete your end of term survey. We need your feedback. Tell us what you think about the class. We use the survey data to make our curriculum and our instruction better. So your voice is heard and it is important to us. So please get in there and complete your end of term survey. There should be a link in the weekly task page that you guys click on. There should be a link that says end of term survey. And then remember, get into the discussion board. Your initial post is due tomorrow by 11:59 p.m. If you have any missing assignments, you can still submit them. You have to take the late penalties, but I still accept them up until the last day of class. So I need you guys to get in there and do your work because I want everyone to pass my class, okay? If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I want you guys to have a good week. See you online.